The desert does not lie. It strips a man until only bone and breath remain, until the masks he wore fall into dust. Israel wandered 40 years beneath the burning sky, fed only by manna and command. So it is with you. Loss has carved its canyon through your chest, sharp as the Red Sea towering on either side. You feared the waters would swallow you whole. Yet behind you the chains lie broken. Before you the promise still waits. Do not mistake the valley for the grave. The valley is the furnace, the threshing floor where wheat is separated from husk, the potter's house where clay is shattered, then remade by holy hands. You feel emptied, but heaven has not abandoned you. After you have suffered a little while, the God of all grace will himself restore, confirm, strengthen, and establish you. 1 Peter chapter 5, verse 10. And so the promise still whispers through the ashes. Job sat among ashes, scraping boils with broken pottery, and the Lord thundered from the whirlwind. I will restore you. I will give you double for your loss. This is not comfort, it is covenant. The God who tore the veil, the God who rolled the stone away, is the God who multiplies. Lift your eyes to the watchtower. The watchman does not sleep when Babylon mocks from beyond the wall. He waits, he endures, and the dawn is nearer than your bones believe. The barren fig tree can yet break with fruit. The desert can yet split open with rivers of living water. Scarlet sins can yet be made white as snow. You, who lost what cannot be named, will not remain barren. The promise of double is not myth, it is seed, waiting for rain. But I ask you now, if the Lord called you to stand today, stripped of all comfort, would you stand or break? Answer not with lips, but with marrow, for no soldier marches with excuses. The battlefield waits. The trumpet has sounded. Strap the belt of truth. Lift the shield of faith. Fasten the breastplate of righteousness. Take the helmet of salvation. Draw the sword of the Spirit, sharper than any two-edged blade. The armor of God is not ceremony, it is survival. Stand beneath the banner of Jehovah Nissi. Stand though the valley shakes. Stand though the fire burns. Even now I see you in Gethsemane, the olive crushed until oil flows. Christ himself sweating blood beneath the ancient press. Loss presses you the same. But from the press comes anointing. From the fire comes refining. From the tomb comes resurrection. And resurrection always comes double. The march continues. Dust clings. Memories ache. But recall David in Adullam's cave. Outlaw, yet psalmist. Recall Elijah at Horeb, despairing, yet whisper met him still. Your silence now is not abandonment. It is the forge where your edge is tempered. You are hammered against Anvil until no weakness remains. Do not envy Babylon, fat and laughing. Their towers rise only to crumble. Do not envy Egypt, drunk on idols. Their chariots drowned when the waters folded back. Lift your eyes instead to Zion. City of light, lamp is the Lamb. Your inheritance cannot wither. Your crown cannot rot. Your double portion waits where moth does not eat. Instead of your shame, you shall have double honor, and instead of confusion, they shall rejoice in their portion. Isaiah, chapter 61, verse 7. But halt. I look you in the eyes now. What sin, what chain, still holds your sword arm from striking? Name it. Break it. For the chain you protect will break you in the hour of trial. This is the second strike. No idol and the cross can be carried together. Choose. Remember Ezekiel's valley of bones, bleached skulls, silence. And yet the word came. Son of man, can these bones live? And the bones rattled. Sinew wrapped, breath entered. An army rose where ruin lay. So it shall be with you. What you thought lost beyond redemption can rise again. And when it rises double. Chains fall when praise rises. Paul and Silas, beaten and bound, sang in prison. The earth shook. Doors flew open, not by key, but by thunder. So lift your voice even now. Lift though ribs ache with grief. Lift though night presses heavy. Praise is the hammer that cracks the stone. Prayer is the fire that melts the iron. The mountain looms, its stones cut, its winds claw. But recall Sinai, trembling at the voice of God. Recall Carmel, where fire consumed the drenched altar. The mountain is not your enemy. It is the meeting place, the place where flesh breaks and spirit listens. You climb with scars. Scars are not shame. They are proof. The enemy hisses, "You are finished." But Christ shows his pierced hands. It is accomplished. Every scar is seed. Every bruise is prophecy. Every tear is counted, and none wasted. And the Lord restored Job's losses when he prayed for his friends, and the Lord gave Job twice as much as he had before. Job, chapter 42, verse 10. And so I say, do not hide your wounds. They are your testimony, not your failure. Pause here. Silence now. Ask yourself, when the trumpet sounds and the gates close, will your name be found among the faithful or the fallen? Do not answer lightly. Tremble if you must. This is the final strike. The question that follows you beyond echo, into the silence where obedience alone speaks. The enemy mocks. He mocked Nehemiah's wall. He mocked Christ on the cross. He mocked David with stones. Yet foxes could not topple Jerusalem's stones. The cross did not break the sun. It broke hell. David's sling shattered the giant's skull. The laughter of the enemy is always the drumbeat of his fall. Lift your eyes higher. See the heavens torn open. See lampstands among which Christ walks. See the white stone with a new name. See the crystal river from the throne. See the new Jerusalem descending, radiant as a bride. This is your inheritance. Not ruin, not silence, but double joy, double fruit, double restoration. For your light affliction, which is but for a moment, is working for you a far more exceeding and eternal weight of glory. 2 Corinthians, chapter 4, verse 17. And this glory is not distant. It breathes even now. Every breath you draw is proof of promise. You are the prodigal, yet the Father runs still. You are the broken vessel, yet the potter remakes you. You are the watchman, weary at midnight, yet dawn comes because you endured. You are the anointed warrior, consecrated by fire. The summit breaks, the horizon burns. The voice thunders, I will give you back double for your loss. Not half, not almost. Double. Rise, lift your sword. Fix your eyes on the hill of salvation. The cross stands. The tomb is empty. The covenant is sealed. God will give you back double for your loss.